This is an IBM Aptiva. 5 years ago, I did a video on this, apparently, and it was 22 minutes and 24 seconds long. I can guarantee you, this video is not going to be that long. So, I got this sitting around, and I decided, let's take a look at it. I remember there being a big problem with this, but I don't remember what. And that was 5 years ago. Wow. It's hard to think that I've been doing YouTube for 5 years. Especially since my channel is still pretty small. I mean, there's people that started out a year ago. They were hitting like, 20,000 subscribers, 50,000 subscribers. And I'm not worried about it. I don't really care that much. But let's I plugged it in, flip the switch, see what happens. Nothing. This says it has an AMD K6-2 processor, which I want to say it was a 400 megahertz. I don't know how much RAM is in it, although it says 64 megs up to 256. An 8 gigabyte hard drive, which looks like it might be true. There's 2 RAM sticks in here. They are 2 different sticks, so I don't know how much is actually in here. I can see the video memory right there. I think the only thing really left to do at this point is to turn it on. It says manufacturing date 9907, so I'm going to assume that's the 7th week of 99. Factory was AK. What I did not know until recently is that the IBM Aptiva line was made by Acer. IBM decided rather than make these themselves, they were going to ship that out to Acer. So that's just something to keep in mind when you're looking at IBMs. You might actually be getting a thing. This has all kinds of pen marks on both sides. AMD K6, 450 megahertz, SIS 530 chipset. I don't know what that is. Looks like somebody has a bunch of passwords written down here to God knows what. There is an expansion bay here. It says here 40X Max 17 min CD-ROM drive. This is a CD burner. I don't remember if I put that in there or if somebody else did. 5 years was a very long time ago. Let's hit the power button. And if I had a problem with it, there's no way it fixed itself within 5 years. Ow. I think I had a problem. I want to say the problem was it would never hold its settings. Like I would reset the BIOS. 261 megs of RAM, so it's got 256 megs of RAM. Let's enter setup. And for anybody wondering why I'm moving around so much, last Friday I fell down my front steps and my back is still hurting. Mainly right at my spine. My tailbone hurts. So it's AMD K6, 450, 512K of level 2 cache, 8 megs of video memory. That's impressive. 8 gigabyte hard drive. CDRW, 256 megs of RAM. Back to the main menu. Video information, it's an SIS chipset. Disk drives, we already know. So let's just go ahead and escape. Do I really want to exit? Yes. Wait, did I just tell it no? Okay. Apparently I told it no. When I get home I got quite a bit of editing to do because I got 3 videos. But this says it's designed for Windows 98. I have no idea what's on it. floppy seek worked. Apparently I put Windows 2000 on it. I think that was me to put Windows 2000 on. I'd have to watch my own video, which I could do, but I'm not going to do that in the middle of filming this video. That would be silly. It's fine. And as I keep saying with every video I shoot here, if this is your first time here and you're wondering what is all that noise in the background, right behind that over there is a generator in the bed of my truck. And I have a fan right here. I'm starting to bring back memories of this thing. I definitely did that because I put the username as Eric. Did I do anything with this? The other, yeah, this is the first computer I've done today where I can actually use the mouse, and this mouse does not work. Let me, I have a USB mouse over here somewhere. Let me see if I can find it. See if how Windows 2000 will like a USB mouse. I do have access to speakers here, but they're brand new in the box, and I intend them to go with a computer I sell. This is actually a mouse I bought a while ago. Oh yeah, this computer does have USB ports, by the way. And the mouse works, okay. Yeah, this is the first computer where I've actually gotten as far as the ability to use a mouse today. If you don't know, I'm shooting a few videos at once, and that's what I'm doing. So yeah, this comes up, shows everything working, accessories. Yeah, I didn't put anything on here at all. So what was my issue with this computer then? I forgot that Windows 2000 did the same thing that 9X does. It just says AMD K6, doesn't tell you the I think it was that it just didn't. Okay, so I don't have the audio drivers. That's fine. Oh, okay. I have an Ethernet, so if I wanted to, what I need to grab out of my other campers, I have a Wi-Fi extender that has USB ports. I could actually use my new Wi-Fi hotspot on that. But this one actually seems kind of boring today, because I remember there being a big problem with this. I remember I really wanted to use it because it had ISA slot and 3 PCIs. And there being a problem. I think I replaced the CMOS battery and it still didn't work. But yeah, the AMD K6 series has always been one of my favorite operating systems. Do I have anything in the drive? CD drive. Well, that's one problem. Okay, so no, I didn't know if I had anything cool in there. But yeah, I would have to get the audio drivers for it. Do you guys want to take a closer look at it? I can zoom you in. I don't have the greatest light in here. That's one of the things I'm going to work on. But yeah, it's got the SIS chipset. It's got the 256 megs of RAM, 8 megs of video memory, which is really shocking that it's got that much. I could always get like a nice PCI video card for it and have a pretty decent Windows 98 gaming system. I'm wondering why I went with 2000. I think I had I think I had a lot of issues. God, this mouse is terrible. It's tiny. I mean, look at it compared to my hand. But yeah, I didn't install anything into this, like, at all. And but yeah, this thing's a fresh install. Got the local disk hard drive, 7.85 gigabytes, 3.5 inch floppy, which we know works. CD-ROM, which probably works because I installed Windows 2000 on it. I don't have any games with me. I wish I did, because that would be helpful. Definitely has onboard audio. And I see the BIOS. But yeah, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and end things now, because it's starting to become lunchtime. It's 12:37. Although this thing says 11:08 a.m. God knows why. And yeah. So thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. A thought just hit me. I have these two CDs here that I found in another computer that I couldn't, get access to the hard drive. Let's find out what's on them. I don't know why my voice is trying to break like a like a teenager. And thank you to whoever just said bless you. I can feel you saying it, even though you haven't watched this video yet. So let's find out what's on these CDs. So we're not calling it an end of video yet. Man. So I think I'm going to try some different video edited stuff. So you got to let me know how you feel about that when I do it. Alright, so let's so we're assuming that the video or that the CD-ROM works. Now this one, like you saw already, you gotta smack it to get it to open. And just as the computer shut down, I'm like, ooh, you know what I could do? So I'm trying to get back into my old ways. So now it shows a volume icon that it didn't show before. Does that mean the audio is actually working again? Yeah, now all the audio works all of a sudden. So this is oh. So this is a whole bunch of oh, this is about to get interesting. This is going to get really interesting, I think. Game. I think this is going to get really interesting. So this is VGA Story Maker. You can do stuff I don't know. I'm not an artiste. Sorry, disk is full. Okay, I would have to. I would actually have to. I would actually have to copy this to the hard drive. That's fine, but we can quit. Go ahead anyway. Yes. All right, so we can exit that. So that's game one. Oh, that's game. What is here? I'm afraid to ask. Walt Disney's Donald Duck's Playground. Oh god, PC speaker. Well, let me luckily when I zoom in it's not going to get louder. I've shot 3 videos today and I'm only down a bar on the Where is that PC speaker? Can I rip it out? Why would there be an airport on the corner like that? You can tell that this is definitely from the days. This is definitely the same exact style as Leisure Suit Larry. How long do you want to work? 20-minute shift, 8 or 2-minute shift. Press the button to start work. Which button? Ah. But it says press the button. But what button? Alright, let's add action, press escape to quit, enter to quit, escape to keep playing. I can't take that anymore. Alright, so this video ended up being a lot more than I thought it would be. Alright, so we gotta assault the computer to get it to work. But I don't think that was the problem, because I wouldn't have done that. Because that wouldn't cause me to stop using it. So this is Windows 98. Okay, so that other system just wouldn't boot off of it. Okay. So anyway, I think now we'll go ahead and just call this for now. Wow, it's finally up to 50 degrees in here, down here at the floor. But yeah, let's just go ahead and call this a day now, and thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.